everyone, I am Devin Green with the Green Channel. Today we are going to talk about World of Warcraft add-on known as ElvUI. ElvUI is a all-encompassing World of Warcraft add-on that will transform your user interface from using multiple different add-ons to only using one add-on. And let's get into the video. First, how do we set up and install ElvUI? So there's two different ways to install ElvUI, and for reference, I will be posting all of the websites that we visit today. I'll be posting those down in the description below. The first way to do it is to go to wowup.io, go to download, click download. Once it's downloaded, we're going to go ahead and click on that to open it up. We're going to go ahead and go through the setup process, click OK. Now what it should do is populate all of our add-ons that we have installed, which it did. And I have two that are out of date. I'll go ahead and update them. Now we're going to go to Get Add-ons, then type ElvUI. Enter. Scroll down to where it says just ElvUI, and it's the 2 billion one. Click Install. ElvUI is now installed. Option 2. The second way to install ElvUI is to go to tookui.org. Click on Download ElvUI. Puts a compressed file right here. You want to open that up. So go to Downloads, and you want to click on the compressed file, and you want to extract all. Click Extract. All right, here's going to be two folders, ElvUI, ElvUI Options. You want to highlight both of those. Control-C or right-click and copy. You're going to go to your C drive, Program Files, go to World of Warcraft, Detail, Interface, Add-ons. Right-click, Paste. All right, ElvUI is now in here. Good, go ahead and close that. Here is ElvUI. I had ElvUI already on this computer at one time, so it's going to show me what I had previously, even though that I deleted everything. I deleted the folders and the files and all that. It's still showing me my old profile. However, we're going to show you how to import a starting profile and going through how to set up that profile, kind of like a quick generic way I like to do it. This is very customizable, and you can tweak or do anything you'd like to ElvUI. So let's go ahead and go to ElvUI. Down at the bottom here, it says Profiles. This profile I currently using in my other Druid here, so we're not going to, we're just going to leave this right here. We're going to go to Import Profile, leave this box up, and we're going to switch over to getting the ElvUI profile. So you want to go to wago.io, wago.io, go to World of Warcraft, go down to ElvUI, ElvUI. I'm going to go look up Druid profiles. We're just going to scroll through here until I find a Restoration Druid profile that I like. This one seems okay. We're going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to click Copy, String, back to the game, Control-V, Import now. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I don't know what's going on with this honor level bar, but it's a little big. We're going to go ahead and show you how to adjust that here in a minute. So we'll go to ElvUI, toggle. So it's the honor and Azerite bar. So as I did this, toggle anchors at the bottom here will allow you to move anything that you have moved. Experience bar is a little weird. We're going to move that down. Arena, boss frames. Azerite bar. Don't even need Azerite bar. We're going to go ahead and move this over here. We're going to probably get rid of that over here. Okay, so we want to adjust this honor bar. So you want to go to data bars, honor, and now adjust this here. So we're going to say 50 by 50. Okay, now it's a better looking honor bar, but it's still a little too tall. So we're going to go ahead and go down to where it says height. We're going to change that. It's supposed to be, okay, that's 75, 25. We're going to say 100. Still too small. We're going to say 500. That's about it, but it's still too big. So we're going to go with 10. There we go. Our honor bar. We can move that down here to experience, and we can go ahead and make this actually smaller. I'm going to go ahead and lock that in. I'm going to change the, actually, I liked it at 10. I'm going to change the width down to, say, 450. Still way too big. We're going to do 425. We're getting closer. 410. 410 is the money. So, okay. Got that adjusted and out of the way. The other thing that kind of looks a little weird is this bar right here. we're going to go ahead and adjust that as well. I'm going to go over here to experience bar, and I want to have it similar to the honor bar. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust that. So it's exactly the same. And we need to adjust this here. So we're looking for the micro bar. Micro bar. We're going to restore it back to default. Somehow, somewhere, it disappeared. We're going to go ahead and re-enable it. Anchor. I like mine over here. That there. These aren't flush to the bottom. I like to make them flush. Okay, so the important things to mention far as what would be good to move around, what would not be good to move around. Your bars and buffs and raid frames, stuff like that. Those are your main things you want to mess with. To move anything that has been set up for a preset, literally just left, hold, drag around. There is a nice grid here. You can move anything on here in your map. I can literally move my map anywhere. There are certain things that are tied. You can actually lock things in certain frames, but you can move anything here. That over there, durability. Actually, I like durability. The mob buffs. That over here up top. Get that out of here. Threat bar. I don't really use a threat bar, but that there. So it's very customizable. Okay, some things I want to point out though is unit frames. When you go to unit frames, there's individual units. That's going to be you. Player frame and then target frame. So individual, want to modify any of that. That's going to be the player frame. Target frame is whatever you click on, it'll show up there in the target frame. If you want to adjust any of the party frames or raid frames, you have to go in here. Important thing to note, for under aura indicator, make sure it says textured icons. Now that's important, so that way whenever you throw like a rejuvenation on somebody, you'll actually see rejuvenation icon on their party bar. Okay, so you see this bar down here. It is too deep. It's doubled up. So let's gonna first see what. Okay, that's 5 and that's 4 or 3 rather. So we're gonna change the bar 5. We're gonna go to bar player bar. So 5. So it says here 6, and we want to move that to 12. Now it's a single one, just like the other one is. So anchors. You can actually move that right under there, or keep it spread out because right there has the other bars. This is not my ideal setup. I would move it there. This here, honor bar up. You can actually just honestly. There we go. We'll just move those up there for now. So that looks a little bit better. Now this bar over here. I think that was 3. I'm gonna go ahead and change that as well. 12. Toggle anchor. Just move that. We're gonna move this over here. Okay. This is getting better. We need to move this bar down to there and lock that. This is my preferred play style, is playing with double bars in the bottom. That way I have room for the raid frames. We're gonna go back to unit frames here. We're gonna go to party. We're gonna go ahead and display. So that's what it looks like. I don't like those colors. All those can be changed. Okay, so you hit toggle anchors and you can move all this stuff around. Best thing to do is to find what works for you and don't be shy to work on customizing it. There's a lot of customizations here that you can do with ElvUI, and you can mess around with it. You can go back to the default settings. You can go back to your older profiles. So don't be shy. Play around with the settings. Liking, that is my best suggestion. Is I could spend hours and hours and hours setting it up, showing you how to set it up. But once you get it installed, it's best to follow the process. Click through the options, and then go ahead and look for some profiles to import. And you can try multiple different profiles if you want. Pick the one you like, build upon that one. All right, if you have any questions about installing and doing a basic profile import with ElvUI and then moving stuff around, hit me up in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.